I'm Lisa Croston, broker owner of Century 21 ProLink. Let's find out what's new in real estate this week.
Let's talk about a phrase in real estate, as is. When a home is listed or sold, it simply means the seller is saying, I'm not making any repairs. What you see is what you get, the good, the bad, and sometimes the expensive. But here's the part most people don't realize. As is does not mean you can't get an inspection. You can, and you absolutely should. An inspection gives you a clear picture of the home's condition, so you know what you're buying and what costs might come after closing. And so as is doesn't mean the seller can hide problems. They have to disclose known problems such as roof leaks, foundation issues, previous water damage. If they know it, they must share it. So why would anyone buy as is? Because sometimes the price is right, the location is perfect, and the buyer is ready to take on a project. Bottom line, as is means no repairs, not no information. Go in with your eyes wide open, get that inspection, and make a smart decision. What do you think? Would you buy a home that is as is? Let me know in the comments.
Hi, this is JRB here with Property Pros Group, bringing you this week's Century 21 ProLink update on this cold December morning. You may be saying to yourself, hey Jennifer, that's not your office, and you know what? You'd be right. I'm in my kitchen making my family's famous white chocolate hazelnut biscotti recipe. It's my great-grandma Adelaide's recipe, who my daughter Addie's named after, so it sure puts us in the Christmas spirit, and I hope you're getting there too. Sweet Things Diner, which recently expanded from a food truck to a retail spot, is now open in Winnebago. They serve breakfast, lunch, and dinner. The Sioux City Symphony is hosting its annual Home for the Holidays event on December 14th at 3 p.m. You can visit their website for additional event and ticket information. The Sioux Gateway Airport announced that it is adding a second direct flight to Denver starting January 6th, which will take off around 6 a.m. in the morning in addition to that evening flight that they currently have. And finally, the Sioux City Council has approved the rezoning of 49 acres on the north side to residential development. The first step was approving the rezoning. The second step will be approving the preliminary plat map for the new Lieber Heights subdivision. Tune in next week for your weekly Century 21 ProLink update. Trusted, connected, relentless.
It's time for your C21 community update, and Siouxland has two big events happening this weekend. Friday, December 13th, it's Scout Night and the Teddy Bear Toss with the Sioux City Musketeers. Bring a stuffed animal to toss on the ice after the first goal. All of those teddy bears go to kids who could use a little extra love this holiday season. It's fun and you get to give back. Also on the 13th, Winterfest at Ponca State Park. Sleigh rides, crafts, hot cocoa. It's the perfect dose of winter magic to kick off this holiday season. Also, as we head into the next few weeks, it's a great time to think how we can support our community, donating food, donating clothes, or finding a small way to brighten someone's holiday. So tell us in the comments, how are you planning on spreading a little holiday kindness?
Hi, this is Mario Ramos with Century 21. I'm a bilingual realtor based in Hawarden, Iowa, proudly serving buyers and sellers throughout Northwest Iowa. As someone who is fluent in both English and Spanish, I take great pride in being able to bridge the communication gaps and ensure that every client feels understood, supported, and confident throughout the entire real estate journey. I'm committed to delivering exceptional personalized service. I take the time to understand your unique goals, whether you're a first-time home buyer, a growing family needing more space, an investor seeking a new opportunity, or a homeowner preparing to sell and move on to the next chapter of your life. My goal is to make sure the entire process goes as smoothly and as stress-free as possible.
Hi, I'm Ryan Hanson, realtor with Century 21 ProLink. Thinking about buying a home? Here's why you should hire a buyer's agent before you even step into your first showing. When you hire a buyer's agent, you're hiring someone who represents you, not the seller. That means you have a professional in your corner, protecting your interest, spotting red flags, and making sure you don't make an expensive mistake. A buyer's agent brings market knowledge, neighborhood insight, and contract expertise that most buyers don't even know they need. We help you understand value, guide you through inspections, and break down the fine print so you can make confident decisions. And when it's time to negotiate, the agent you hire becomes your strategist, working to get you the best price, the best terms, and the best protections. Bottom line, don't navigate one of the biggest purchases of your life alone. Hire a Century 21 ProLink agent to be your agent when buying a home and give yourself the advantage you deserve.
Thank you for tuning in to our weekly segment. We work hard to be the best.